Yo, you know who it is, man. It's your boy Chris, or just call me Chris is lit. Checking back into the mix. Woo! This probably be one of the shortest videos I have ever done. This is cats versus cucumbers. Huh? Huh? Like, where does that even meet? I'm not gonna speculate. Let's just jump right into it. I think I'ma love it. I love cats. Cats are funny as fuck. Let's jump into the video. Oh, no. Oh, oh no, God. Oh, I gotta. Oh, they really scared the cucumbers. No. Oh, God. No. Oh, man. Oh, God.
Name something a teenage boy can do for hours at a time. Masturbate.
What?
I'll have to ask my accountant about
Yo, that shit was fucking funny as fuck. I'm gonna watch like 100 more of these compilations. I'm not gonna hold it for too much longer. Like, must I really say how funny that shit was? Cats. Bang. Y'all fucking fell, man. Y'all fucking scared of a fucking vegetable. Like, or a cucumber's a fruit. I don't fucking know, but this shit. Oh, man. Yo, I'm fucking bugged out by that. I really need to get a cat now because I want to try that out. For now, though, peace and love, man. I'm out.